Let's talk about multiplying any two numbers. Now, this trick is also called the double and half trick. What we're going to do is we're going to half one of the numbers and double the other one. So we're basically just going to half one of them and double the other one. So 1/2 times 2 is just 1. In other words, we're just multiplying the entire equation by 1. So we do 32 times 1/2 times 55 times 2. The 32 and 55 are from the problem, and the 1/2 and the 2, when you multiply them together, is just a 1. So 32 times 1/2 is 16, and 55 times 2 is 110. Now we can just use the 11 trick on the 16. So we write the 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, and then we write the 1. But we can't forget about the 0. So our answer is 1760. Let's look at another example. 98 times 55. Again, we do 98 times 1/2 times 2 times 55. So 98 times 1/2 is 49. 2 times 55 is again 110. So again, we multiply 49 times 11. So we write the 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So we write the 3 and we carry the 1. Then we have to write the 4. And 4 plus the carried 1 is 5. If you didn't understand what I did there, make sure you go check out the 11 trick video. We can't forget about the 0. So our final answer is 5,390. So this is our final answer. Let's look at a couple more examples. 105 times 124. Again, we do 105 times 2 times 1/2 times 124. Now notice I'm always multiplying 2 by the number that ends in the 5, and I'm always multiplying 1/2 by the number that ends in the 4, or the even number. And this just makes it simpler. If we did 2 times 124 and 1/2 times 105, we'd be dealing with decimals, and that would just make the problem more complicated. We're trying to make the problem less complicated. 105 times 2 is 210. And 1/2 of 124 is 62. So we just have to multiply 21 and 62 together. 21 times 62 is 1302. Now we can't forget about the 0. So our final answer is 13,020. So this is our final answer. Let's look at one final example. 125 times 192. So again, we do 125 times 2 times 1/2 times 192. So 125 times 2 is 250. Times 1/2 times 192 is 96. So we can use the 25 trick on 96. So 96 divided by 4 is 24. And we have to add the two zeros. And we can't forget about this 0. So our final answer is 24,000. Now, this trick can be a little bit complicated, so this requires a lot of practice. I've linked a practice worksheet and its answers in the comments section, so make sure to go check those out.